you can't do that. It's for only Makeup and me and Mama, Sawyer, me and Daddy. And this is my birthday, so you can just share with me, buddy. You can just share with me, huh? Just share my birthday cake. Let's start get to share my birthday cake.
He's going to show your birthday cake?
Yeah, and all my friends are good too.
Your birthday's not for a while though, sweetie.
Bert Sawyer! Bert Sawyer, be Bert! Bert! Buddy, Bert! Bert! Now I'm a teacher kid, it's going to be naughty. I'm a teacher kid, it's going to be naughty. I don't wash my dishes. Now wash my dishes today. I can wash my dishes.
You gonna wash your dishes? You cleaning up?
But I don't get it out of here. Don't get all these out of here. Sawyer! Go use spectrum. Spectrum! Bud! Spectrum!
Sawyer wants to help.
Mama Sawyer's Lord, yeah, I'm mad at him again.
You're mad at him again?
He was like, don't stand there! Don't sleep in there, boy! Hey! Look what you did, buddy! Look what she did!
What did he do?
He got it on the floor, now I can wash it!
Oh, man.
Now, that's not funny, Sawyer B. That's not funny. This is for old washing dishes. Hey!
He must think that's his food bowl.
No, that's not a soup bowl.
He's so funny.
That's not washing. That is poop bowl.
I think he went to go get a toy to play with. What you drinking?
Water.
Water, huh?
You want some?
Sure.
Okay, then I'll put it in the cup. Here.
Thank you. So good.
So I want some too. You want some? Want some of my water? I'll go get you some. I'll go get you some water. And I come say, Jake. Do you want to go back up our room?
Sure.
That's the perfect.